tired of living in the hood, man.
Get this right, bro.
Bruh, I just got a record deal. I'm tired of living in the hood. Man, is that the salesman up there?
It is him, bro. We finna holler at him right now.
I don't sell no house.
What you do, man?
I don't know, man. That man don't really look like no salesman.
I'm telling you, man. Looks to be the same.
I ain't gonna do no talking. You talk to him, because I ain't got time for this.
Right.
Go do that.
All right. B, what's up, man? You ready to get this house, dog? I got it for you, man. Great discount.
Tell him I'm trying to get a house. I don't want it cheap.
I'm here, man. What's up, B? You doing all right? It's all good. It's all good.
I'm trying to have like a little mansion and stuff, you know what I'm saying?
You ain't gotta worry about that. I get it for cheap. You ain't gotta worry about that. I get this house $100,000 off the price, okay? So he gonna have instant equity when he get it. He said he gonna have everything you need, you know what I'm saying?
He said something about some equity. I do equal rights, but I don't do no equity.
He said he don't do no equity, man. He need
Equity is how he gonna benefit his future, man. He gotta put his money in his house before he mess it off. I know he rapping, but all these rappers be messing it off. This the best thing to secure his investment.
Tell him I don't mess with Future. I mess with Lil Baby.
Not the rapper. I'm gonna have him in Germantown, the prestigious place in Memphis. A lot of black people ain't coming to Germantown living like this, man.
Tell him I ain't black. I'm Kanye, man.
Yeah, he said he Kanye, man. That's how he rocking, man.
I'm tired of talking to him.
I tell you what. I think what we need to do, man, is to go in this house and show him. Big kitchen. I got 3 full bedrooms. You know, I think he'll like it, man. We got to go in here and just show him.
You gonna go in and see what he's talking about, man?
Tell him we go in, he mosquito bite my arm. Come on.
He said, let go on. We gonna check it out.
I'm sick of him. I'm sick of him already.
Come on.
A few moments later.
Originally it's 500,000, but if you cooperate with me, if you talk with me like a man, do some real business, then I'll knock 100,000.
Till that man I start talking.
He said he don't come holler at you, don't.
B, what's up, B? Let's get this money, man. I'm sure.
I can tell something up there. That's what I'm trying to do.
Come on, keep straight. Let me show you, man. He was the master bedroom. All right, B. You can have about 5-4 chicks in here at one time.
Yo.
You know how you like that,
Yo, what
right?
I'm talking about.
Look at the master bedroom, man.
Oh, this is straight.
Let me show you the bathroom and how amazing the bathroom is, bro.
Say this.
All the way up to the ceiling, man. Everything.
Hey,
Appliances
this
to the faucet, B. Come on, B.
This joint hard. I don't think I'm gonna get no BBW through here.
How you want a big girl in there?
Cause she can't take no bath. She gotta take showers. But this not night though.
Okay.
Tell some more this way, that way, this way, and that way. Like, come here, cuz. Let me holler at you. You stay out there. You stay out there, cuz. What you think about that house? I just seen a roach over there. It was in the corner shooting dice.
Oh,
that mean it been here for a long time.
Still big house, man. We can get the exterminator. We can get all that up out of here, man. It's straight.
Exterminator. I'm tired of them roaches. I feel like them roaches following me at this point. You know what? I might give them the money for it, cause I think my baby mama trying to put me out. But that's a whole nother story. We gonna see though. I'm gonna talk him down.
Yeah, we're talking down.
All right, here we come.
No.
That's what I'm saying.
B, how you like it, man?
Somebody already boo-booed in that toilet.
Oh, don't worry about it. We flushing. We get
You know what? These folks put a kitchen bowl in this joint.
This is the modern bowl right here, B. That's what people doing right now.
I ain't gonna lie, I like the regular Section 8 sinks where them just be down in here. I don't like that. Can you take that out of here?
I'll take that out for you, no problem. Whatever you want.
He ain't so bad to be acting like a linebacker.
Yeah.
Come on. Sick of him.
A few inches later.
Now the next room I want to show you one of the best rooms in the house, man. It's where everybody like long.
Oh my God.
Marble table, man. And you got the view of the neighborhood.
I don't like him. Can you make him move?
You know
Cause he cutting the grass too late.
I don't like him neither, B. I think we could do something about it.
I'm a bad.
Get him.
I'm gonna buy his house too.
I don't see. You come on down. You can pull it and watch anything else right back in there.
My ass had that Family Dollar. Them I ain't trying to. That's all right. You gonna end? I'm gonna end the sale. Look, let me talk to my manager right quick.
Okay, talk.
Come down. Now you know what? Come down here, cause he too close. Come here. Come here. Let me talk to you. Look, I feel like I want to buy the house. Call the record label and ask the record label, can they buy the house for me? Call them right quick. Call them, see what they gonna say.
Hey man, they said they ain't gonna be able to buy the house because they don't know if your career gonna make it, man.
Look, man, I told them before I already sold my soul. How much more stuff y'all want?
Oh. He said that ain't guaranteed, man. He said you gotta make some sales, man.
I knew I should have went to Death Row Records in the first place. Trying to sound for them folks, they need had no CD player at the record label. How they gonna get a record label?
All right, man, we're gonna get this deal done. I got the paperwork. I got everything ready for you all when y'all came over. I got all the information. All I need right now is the check for the earnest money deposit.
I ain't gonna lie, I don't feel like reading it. What they say? I'm a bad, but what it say? What they say?
What do you mean?
'Cause I don't trust
Hey,
them.
what's wrong, man? This is
What it say?
this is the sale of the house, man.
See if he'll take that. See if he'll take that.
He said you take that right there. But they close the deal.
See.
They should do it, man.
Hey, is this a joke, man? This is $200.
You ain't no good manager. Why you ain't get him to take that $200?
I tried, man.
What is this?
You ain't try hard
We ain't
enough.
on the street.
Are we wasting time? Are we joking? Or we trying to sell a house?
Okay, I ain't gonna lie. I'm dealing with some stuff with the record. Like, them folks talking about dropping me, but they gonna pick me up when school start back. Cause they said something about they kids gotta get enrolled. I don't know. See what we gonna do with this.
He can't deny that. He can't deny that.
Look a little
Big
bit,
stack.
it look a little bit more nice there. Go ahead and give you the keys, man. You want the keys today? You can go ahead and move
I
in.
want the keys. I want to hire a maid.
Like that.
They gonna give me a happy ending too.
Okay,
I
look,
ain't
man.
said we wanted them too.
With this deposit here, I think we can make that happen.
Okay.
6.5 hours later.
This man that sold me the how the grill don't even work. I knew I should have got my money back. Who is that?
Hey, B. Hey, man, come on. We gotta talk about some stuff, bro. And I got some stuff on your credit report, man. It didn't go through.
What you mean he didn't go through? I
Man.
gave you money.
Man, look, from the information on this credit report, it said that at 6 years old, your mama put your name on MLGNW, time